I'll show you today how to make a communicating book for nonverbal children. The first thing you need to do is to start working with cards. I did my cards with different colors for different things. These are blue for toys. You have a basketball, if he wants to play with cars, with painting, robots, play tennis, play with Thomas. Then I have in green, I put all the food: pizza, muffins, bananas, hot dogs, different things he likes to eat. These have to be very personal. Each children will like different foods, will like different toys. He will have different toys at home. Then I have in yellow the drinks: water, smoothies, milk, and many others. And in gray, I use gray to do some verbs like eat, drink, play, reading, go to the toilet, and also for places he likes to go, like go to the park, go to the playground, go to school. And you will storage them all in a little box. This is the easiest to have handy and be able to find them fast. It's very helpful if you can laminate them, like I have it here. It's also very important to have something to stick them on, like with Velcros. You have Velcros in the other part. So you make him choose. Would you like to play with Thomas? Would you like to play with music or basketball? And he has to choose from one from here. It's very important to have a little board to work with. As you can see, the signs aren't like universal kind. They are photos from Google, and as they need to look as much alike as the ones he has at home. It's very important so he can recognize them very fast. The most important thing in this stage is for him to learn how to choose from the board. Once he's doing this very, very good, you can start working on a book. This is my son's book, and he started with this book when he was 3 years old. And it's an A4 size folder. He has his name in the first page. And then again, working with colors. In gray, you have the general things to choose, like to play, to eat, to drink, to sleep. If he wants to sit on the floor, if he wants to talk, to watch TV, play with his iPad, do a Skype phone call, go in his stander, go in his walker, or go to the bathroom. With these ones, I work with the universal signs. You can download it for a free trial. It's a 30 days. It's very good, and you can find it online. In pink, you have family and friends that he can talk about them, or he can invite home. Then I have these pages of various variety items. We never choose it to use it a lot. If he likes, don't like, if he wants more, if it's finished, where is that, to ask for something, if he needs help, yes and no. The easiest for yes and no is to work with these two. And you use a little board like these ones, and you have it handy, yes and no, and he can answer fast. They like to say yes and no. Then we have blue again for toys, potato head, trains, watch TV, if he likes it, if it's boring, if he wants to change. TV shows, again in blue. Food, drinks. You have chocolate milk, a Coke, coffee, milkshake, water, milk, juice, if it's hot, if it's cold, if he wants more, if it's finished. Then desserts. This one is for snack time and breakfast time, also with food related. And this is to go out. If you want to play with friends, go to the park, go to the swimming pool, go to a restaurant, the school, playground, going out in his walker, or if he wants to stay home. And this is about emotions. Didn't work very well with Edgardo, really. Maybe he was little at this time to use them, but it's nice for them to see if they are feeling ill, if he's scared about something, if he's sad, if he's sleepy. Well, that was it. Once that he can handle this one very well, these have 12 per page. Once that he can do this one, he's ready to go to the little one. And the little one, it's more handy, it's easier to work. This one is an A5 size, and this one has a home sign because it's the one that he used to work at home. And he has a different one for school. Like, for example, he can't choose to watch TV at school. And he has other games that they do at school, other routines. And you do everything little. The idea is always the same. He can ask to go to the bathroom, go in his standard, sit on a chair. These ones are for his routines. The variety page, smaller. The going out page, smaller. He can choose to go in his bicycle, go to a farm, swimming pool, restaurant. This one is for toys, as he has a lot. We did 3 pages, so he can add this one. And the same it's at school, because they can choose a lot of things at school. He has superheroes, robots, planes. If he wants to play with foam, with blocks. This one is more handy with puzzles, shapes, marbles, paint, Play-Doh, cutting, bubbles. And the last one has the superheroes, that he usually wants to choose one and not just superheroes. He wants to have one in particular. These are the TV shows. He can choose to go to Netflix or to YouTube as well. Food. The drinks. Desserts. And breakfast here. The people he knows, so he can choose to talk about some of them. And as he started school at this stage, we added the letters, numbers, colors, and animals. I did one for pets, one for farm animals, one for safari style animals, one from animals from the ocean. And that's it. Once that he is comfortable with this book, it's time to move to a communicating device and start with technology, assistive technology. I hope it was helpful and you all like it. Bye bye.